Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two Linux distro, which is Linux Mint and Zorin OS. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about Linux Mint in 2025 is a lightweight, stable and a beginner-friendly distro that feels instantly familiar to Windows user. With the Chameleon desktop, pre-installed codec and strong community support, it is reliable for daily drive that just work. The drawback is that it's based on Ubuntu LTS, so it's not as flashy or modern looking, and update can lag behind more cutting-edge distro. Talking about Zorin OS, on the other hand, is all about sleek design and polished. Its interface closely mimic Windows or Mac OS, which make it perfect for new Linux user who want a smooth transition. It also comes with a bundled apps and great visual appealing. However, the free version is limited compared to Zorin Pro, and it's a built heavier on system resources. So in short, Mint is best for stability and simplicity, while Zorin OS wins for styles and ease of migration. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more.